Next we will take a look at the video player toolbar. The buttons available on the toolbar vary, depending on the capabilities of the camera. For example, the PTZ or talkback buttons are not displayed in the video stream. This information includes the current stream being viewed, the name of the camera or stream selected from the camera list, the date of the video that is being displayed, the time of the video being displayed, and the status of the video player. The various options to play video include pause, rewind, and fast forward. The live archive toggle is green when live video is played. When video is paused, the pause button becomes a play button. Click the fast forward and rewind buttons. Tilt and zoom features of cameras supporting those functions. PTZ controls are covered in a separate module. For fixed or non-PTZ cameras, the PTZ button is not displayed. The video display also can be manipulated with the digital zoom. The digital zoom feature allows you to zoom in on a specific area of any camera in the system. This feature does not require the camera to support PTZ, and does not actually move the camera or operate the zoom feature of the camera itself. Instead, it changes the view in the video player only. Click Digital Zoom. The magnifying tool is displayed. Click and move the slider to zoom in and out on the chosen camera view. To change the area in which you are zooming, drag the magnifying glass to another area of the window. To zoom back out, move the slider back to the bottom of the slider bar. To exit the digital zoom, click the digital zoom button again. Many cameras have outputs that can be used by the next level unified security suite. If the camera is using these outputs, they can be activated from the next level user interface by clicking the output contact button. When the button is clicked, the associated output is enabled or activated for 5 seconds. Please refer to the Gateway Supported Devices Technical Bulletin for a list of cameras that are supported for I/O. Analytics. An analytic is software that recognizes certain movements or other changes within a video stream. The Next Level Unified Security Suite currently supports 12 video analytics and 4 audio analytics. See the Analytics Training module for more information. The Filmstrip button allows you to choose from a series of thumbnails that represent events that have been recorded in the system. The Filmstrip is displayed at the top of the video player. A semi-transparent block is added to the timeline to show the period that the Filmstrip covers. Select a block to play back that video. The video is displayed in the player. The live recorded toggle button turns red to indicate that recorded video is playing. Click the live recorded toggle to return to live video. Click the Filmstrip button to close the Filmstrip view. Continuing with the review of the toolbar controls, we can now move to the Show Events toggle. Clicking this button will display event icons on the timelines. In the timeline, icons are displayed for the events that have occurred during the time frame of the video that is currently playing. Click on the event icon in the hourly, or top, timeline to see the details. See the playback and timeline tutorial for instructions on using the timelines. From the event details, you can save the event by locking it. Play the video of the event. Take a snapshot of the event. Or export the event clip. Click play to play back the video of the event that was captured. Return to the live stream by clicking on the Live Archive toggle button. The next tool is Bookmarks. A bookmark is a manually defined event that allows you to mark or tag a specific point in time in the video. Click the Bookmark button to log an event. A bookmark icon is added to the timelines for the video player. The bookmark is also added to the event log. Finally, depending on the severity of these types of events, you may also see a pop-up describing the event. For more details on events and their behaviors, see the Operations, Events module. As with other events, clicking on a bookmark in the hourly timeline rewinds video to the specific time at which the bookmark was placed, making for easy retrieval of that video. The Export JPEG button allows a snapshot to be taken of the displayed video. A snapshot can be taken from a live or recorded video stream. To capture a snapshot, use the calendar setting or scrub the timeline with the playheads to set the video playback to the location of the desired video. Then click the Snapshot button. The Export Photo dialog box is displayed. Click Yes to save the JPEG file to a local drive. Follow the prompts to name and save the file. The prompts vary, depending on the web browser and operating system. A video clip can be exported. Before exporting a clip, you can preview it using the timeline. See the Playback and Timeline tutorial for instructions on playing back recorded video. After the start and end points are selected, the video can be exported. The exported video clip is stored on the gateway, in the media library. An additional screen allows the video clip to be saved to a local disk. Click Export Video to save the clip. The export dialog is opened. The date, plus the start and end times of the video clip are displayed. Use the dials to adjust the length of the video clip. Note that a maximum of 4 hours of video can be exported in one clip. Also note that simultaneously running large exports from multiple cameras can impact the gateway's performance. The name of the camera is entered in the name field by default. Change this name so that if a clip was previously exported with the default name, it is not overwritten. Check the timecode overlay box if a visible timestamp is needed on the video clip. The quality of the export also can be selected. Click the Quality drop-down list. Choose from 3 quality settings. High, 1280 by 720. Medium, 640 by 360. Or low, 320 by 180. This setting does not impact the resolution setting for the camera output in the NLSS web interface. Note that if the timecode overlay is selected, a high-quality setting is dropped down to the medium setting upon export. Once the quality has been selected, choose the format for the export. Export the video clip as Flash Video, FLV, or MPEG-4, MP4. When completed, click on Yes to export the file. A separate window or tab is opened in the browser to confirm the export when the process is complete. The file can be saved to a local disk from this window. Right-click, and select Save As from the pop-up window. Follow the prompts. The process varies slightly between browsers and operating systems. The file also is sent to the media library for the gateway. It can be downloaded from there. If the gateway is part of RMS, the file also is transferred to the RMS media library, and can be downloaded from there. See the Media Library tutorial in the Operations playlist for instructions on downloading a file directly from the gateway, or through RMS. Sound effects and audio warnings can be played through a speaker attached to a camera. This audio can be triggered manually from the video player by clicking on the Play Audio button. A list of sound effects is displayed. These sound effects are included with the gateway, and are stored in the Media Library. See the Operations, Media Library tutorial for more information on that feature. Click a sound effect in the list to play it through the speaker attached to the camera. The dialog box closes when the sound effect is played. An audio file also can be associated with the camera by creating an action that has been created during the configuration of the gateway. See Actions under the Configuration tutorials for instructions. The NLSS gateway also supports TalkBack, or full duplex audio, when used in conjunction with an audio-enabled camera. The toolbar contains a slider that controls the volume of your local microphone to the camera speaker. Click the talkback button to display the slider. Note that if a flash player warning is displayed requesting access, click Allow. Now the microphone volume can be adjusted. Click the talkback button again to hide the slider. The gateway also has a volume control button that controls the loudness of the camera microphone when played back through a speaker on your computer. Use the slider to adjust the microphone volume, or pull the slider all the way down to mute the microphone from playing in the speaker. Click the volume button again to close the slider. Now that we are familiar with the camera user interface toolbar and video time sliders, let's go back and take a closer look at the PTZ functionality. Please return to the Operations playlist to begin the review of the camera PTZ controls.